Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel. I've made all kinds of videos for those of you who cannot just go no contact from the narcissist. It's not realistic. Oh my god, a mosquito done tore my ankle up, you guys. I didn't spray myself with the animal repellent, the bug repellent, and they done got me. Woo. I'll be close to my rubbing alcohol later on. But either way, you guys, back to the video. I made a ton of videos to help you guys outsmart this narcissist, and here we go. Because I know everybody can't go no contact, so what can you do? How many things I got on this list? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6 things on this list. Hold on a second. Someone's trying to call me. I got 6 things on this list, you guys. I'm sure I could have thought of more, but you know what I'm saying? You know what? I ain't trying to make the videos too long, and hey, we can always do a part 2 or part 3 and go on and on, all right? So, tricks to outsmart the narcissist. What you got, Coach Lakia? What you got, girl? Number 1, tell or show them the opposite. All too many times we just tell people exactly what we're gonna do. We're so honest and open. You're like Coach Lakia, become a liar, da 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 da. With them, if that's what you want to call it. I just say keep them out your business. But if it's something to show them the opposite. Mislead them like they misled me? Sure, why not? What would you do? You gotta, you know, I'm laughing right now, but this gets very serious. Imagine being at war, which it is, a spiritual war, right? Would you just go tell your enemy all your tricks and everything that you got so that they can be prepared for you? If you was playing a basketball game, would you just, or a football game, would you just give them your playbook? Yeah, so tell or show them the opposite. Get a poker face. All right, that's how you outsmart them. Number 2, the biggest thing you could typically do, if possible, all right, is don't fuck with them at all. You outsmart them by not even getting in a ring with them. And I know that is, you know, for those of you that can go no contact, I had to say that. All right, the next thing I have here on the list, never, ever, ever make them a real option, honey. Give them the illusions, the delusions that, just let that match with them. Like, okay, you really thought that you were a factor? You really thought I was gonna rely on you? Because you know they want you to do that so they could just drop the ball and devastate you, leave you hanging, kick you while they think they're putting you down. Never make them a real option. Like, you was never my plan A. Oh, you thought that? You thought you was really my man? You thought you was really my girl? You thought I was really taking you serious? Never make them a real option. Okay, that's how you outsmart them. You was never really an option anyway, so anything that you do, it's like whatever, because I never really planned around it. Never took it serious. All right. The next way to outsmart a narcissist is always think ahead. We get so caught up in the moment, and there's nothing wrong with enjoying moments, but we need to be out here playing chess, not checkers, because that's what they think they're doing. But if you start doing it, you're going to be way better at it than them, because their emotional maturity really isn't that high. You know, if you just get out the cloud 9, get out the love bomb, and actually start thinking ahead in situations, you'll certainly begin to have the upper hand. Because if you're thinking ahead, you're going to be doing the next thing on my list, okay? You're going to see angles, all right? You're going to see angles. But this is the more important thing about seeing those angles, you guys. You need to see the angles beyond your preferences. It's human nature to want to see things the way you want to see it. That is so much human nature. But I'm going to challenge you to be able to learn how to put yourself in other people's shoes so that you can figure out their agendas. Like, who sent you and why? What do you really want? Because we know they're not straightforward. All right? So you got to learn how to see the angles. Yes, baby. My daughters. I got a few of my kids here with me because they love to come here too. You want it? You were running? You got a good exercise? Oh, let me let them see you guys. Say hi.
Hi.
It's my oldest daughter and my 2 little baby twins. All right, you guys. So yeah. Woo, ain't they long and beautiful? Got a few things going on. Love it. But yeah, that is how you can outsmart that narcissist. But I gotta outsmart these mosquitoes. Oh, guys. So make sure you hit that like button if you appreciated this video. Let me know how it worked out for you down there. Hey, if you got some other suggestions to give to the community, put them down in there. Hey, look, I know this ain't all we got. All right, you guys, and I will see you in the next video. But until next time, these people keep calling me. Never give up on yourself. Continue to do the work. Until next time. Oh, I'm just so itchy. Take care.